This is how we're going to add a battery widget on the iPhone lock screen. So if we are in here, I'm just going to swipe down like this to access the lock screen, and in there I can hold it down on the wallpaper to make some changes and edits to it. So I click on the customize and at the bottom like this, and we have a few areas for the widget. So naturally we have the time, which can only be time, but then above that we have a little row which is customizable, and at the bottom we also have a little box for the widgets which we can paste. So at first at the bottom you can see that I already have a couple of widgets added, so I'm gonna remove those to make space. And then now that I click on add widgets, I can scroll through the options, and if you scroll through apps you'll find batteries, and there are essentially just two sizes you can pick from. There is like a small one and a large one, so let me just add both, right? And then now I'll be able to see the battery in my widget, right? So this is what it would look like at the bottom I see the current battery charge, and in the smaller one I can only see it visually in a circle, but it gets the job done. But as I said, there is also the row at the top or above the time, so you can tap on that as well, and also choose some widget, some function to be displayed right there. And you should also be able to find the battery section, right? So just scroll through it and try to see the battery like that. And if you cannot find it, then the only option we'll have with it is to use a third-party battery app. So for example, you can see that I have downloaded the Cloud Battery application, which supports the widgets in the small panel above the time. So if I add it like this, you can see that I also have the battery displayed at the top, at the bottom, and in there as well. So I can have it in various different places. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if it worked. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later.